Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It's investment number 3 of the day. So far, I've invested when the markets opened and the middle of the day as well. So I've invested 2 times already, £100 on each occasion, and markets are about to close now. It's 8:44 London time, so I'm just gonna deploy another £100 into the stock market before the American markets close. So basically, for all my new viewers, this channel is all about long-term investing. I have a goal of making a $1 million portfolio, and basically what I do is I invest for the long term and I invest regularly. So regularly, in fact, I invest 3 times a day, and each time I deploy £100 into the stock market. And what I do is I buy stocks, 3 particular stocks that I believe in, and those are Tesla, NVIDIA, and MicroStrategy. The reason I'm buying Tesla is because I think autonomy, robotics, robotaxi, robots, everything like that is going to be the future. And in 5 years' time, it's going to be very, very big. There might be fluctuations short term where Tesla goes down 20, 30, 40%. But I think over the long term, it will rise. And with the Trump administration, they're going to be helping Tesla quite a lot. The next company that I'm buying quite a lot of is MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is my Bitcoin bet. Basically, in the UK, you can't buy Bitcoin through an individual savings account or a pension plan like a SIP. So the best alternative is to buy a company like MicroStrategy, which has the majority of its holding in Bitcoin. So it's kind of like a Bitcoin play. And finally, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is my third preferred stock because they're big with GPUs, and eventually everyone is going to be switching from central processing units, CPUs, to GPUs, and they're at the forefront of chip technology. So those 3 are my preferred companies that I'm investing in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my ISA. I'm going to have a look at my portfolio actually to see how it's doing. So my general investment account is now just over 85,000. My stocks and shares ISA is just over 12,000, and my self-invested personal pension is just under 1,000. So what I'm going to do now is have a look at Tesla, see what's happening. So let's have a look at the 1 day movement. So it's up about 5.5%, which is good. But again, I'm not going to get too happy or too sad over daily fluctuations, because that's what I used to do in the past, and then I used to get really happy and sell, and then really upset and so on. It's just a miserable formula for success. The best thing for me, and this isn't probably for everyone, but the best thing for me is to buy regularly and then just hold it for a long time. It kind of works for me, and I'll show you the proof. So let me just buy this first. So I'm going to buy £70 worth of Tesla. So that's confirming the buy, putting the buy order through. Hopefully it's going to go through because it's just about to close the market. So that's done. So Tesla's done. My next stock is MicroStrategy. So I'm going to open that one up, put in a buy order for £20 this time. So I'm slowly building this Bitcoin position. So I'm going to review the order, and then I'm going to confirm the buy. So sending the order through, it usually takes a minute, but hopefully it's going to be faster. Okay, so that's done. That's very good. And finally, I'm going to be purchasing NVIDIA £10 worth. So let's have a look at how NVIDIA is doing. So today it's up around 3%, which is good. So I'm going to quickly have a look at just zoom out last 5 years. So the last 5 years is up about 1,700%, but I still think it has a lot of room to move into. So let's quickly buy that. So £10 worth of NVIDIA. I'm going to review the order, and then I'm going to confirm the buy, and hopefully that's going to go through without a hitch. And it has done, so that's great. So that's excellent. So that was the last investment of the day. Just to recap, I've invested £70 now in Tesla, £20 in MicroStrategy, and £10 in NVIDIA. In total, I put in £300 into the market in 3 intervals. In Tesla, I put 70 times 3, 210 pounds. In NVIDIA, I put £10 times 3, £30. And in MicroStrategy, I've put 20 times 3, which is £60. In total, £300. So I'm going to do the same tomorrow, and I'm going to keep on doing this over the long term. Like I said, this is a very long-term portfolio. I'm not going to be buying, I'm not going to be selling. I'm just going to keep on buying and holding into these great companies. And my investment horizon, like I said, is between 5 and 10 years. So you might be asking, why am I doing this? Basically, it's to help me become more disciplined. In the past, I used to invest when I want to. When everybody else was investing, I invested. When everybody else was selling, I used to kind of follow the crowd. But this time what I'm thinking is I'm just going to do this consistently, because when I look at history, it's the people who have invested consistently into great companies that have actually made a lot of wealth. So I'm not going to be just trading here, trading there. I've chosen 3 great companies. I'm going to invest regularly, build my commitment to investing, build that good habit of investing regularly, and then hopefully I'm going to be building that £1 million portfolio. Also, I hope you find these videos useful as well. There's a lot of people in the UK who don't really invest. They've got a lot of money, a lot of money just sitting in savings account doing nothing, and it's just because they're kind of like unsure how to invest or what to invest in. So hopefully videos like this will inspire other people to invest regularly, invest like at least once a month. But if you want to, you can do it 3 times a day. It's up to you. And you can invest in your ISA for like as little as £1. So I can buy £1 worth of Tesla. So just to get into the habit of it, just like try and invest, find a company that you really believe in, and then just like invest £1 every day just to build up that great habit. So yeah, if you have any questions at all, leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer the question in as much detail as I can. Also, if you enjoyed these videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have about 1,000, just over 1,000 subscribers, but I'm trying to get up to 2,000 subscribers. If we can kind of like form a community where we're like regularly investing into stocks that we really believe in, and not let our money just sit in the savings account just doing nothing. So this is all about building long-term wealth into volatile stocks. So if you're afraid of like, not afraid, but if you like, if you like the company but you just cannot handle the volatility, if there's like a group of people who are investing into the same company, who believe in the company, we can help each other with the volatility, because that used to be my biggest weakness. When the company used to get extremely volatile, used to go up a lot, I didn't know what to do. I used to sell, or when it used to go down quite a lot, I used to sell as well. So I've got my rules in place now, and it's just buy and hold for at least 5 to 10 years to see what happens. So that's it for today. I will do more videos tomorrow. So until then, have a great day. Take care. Bye.